This is Abhinan's visual schedule. Along with visual schedule, I am following the tokens. The tokens given are the stars. Okay, morning till evening, night, the things that comes in his routine, I have displayed here. So, initially for small children, they won't be able to read whatever we are writing, they won't be able to read. So we should start with pictures, drawing pictures of brushing, bathing, like that. According how the child can follow the picture, the mother should draw. Initially I did pictures for Abhinan, but now I replace the pictures with writing. So Abhinan can follow the writings now. He is able to read this. Also, for children who can write themselves, we can make them to write. The child can write. The mother and the child should sit in the morning and the child can write his schedule. Also, we can ask the child to tell their likings, the likes and dislikes, what the child likes, which activity the child likes to do in a particular day. Like that, we can ask their opinion also. So this I used to write in the morning, especially after the lockdown. It was very difficult for especially the children with autism. It was very difficult to sit inside the house for long time. So for autism child with autism, if they get their schedule in the morning, it will help them to adjust, prepare their mind, so that what comes next, it will help them to reduce their behaviors. So first we have to write the date. Before that we have to fix the calendar. That I will show you in another episode, how to fix a calendar. Date, then we have to, the key factor is the reinforcement. We have to tell the child, if you get 5 stars, you will get either this reinforcement should be according to the likes and dislikes of particular child. For Abhinan, either phone or TV or computer or toys or chips, I have written here. Initially for small children, after getting 1 star, you have to reinforce them. Slowly you have to increase the number of stars. Then also you can use colorful sketch pens for writing the different or drawing the pictures of different schedules. And if the child is finishing his potty, brushing, bathing without showing any behaviors, you can give him a star. Like that, after completion of each step, you can give him the stars if the child is doing it without any behaviors. If he is doing any behavior, instead of giving star, you should draw a sad face. Either you can stick the sticker of a sad face or you can draw a sad face, so that we can make them understand this is bad. This is which is good and which is bad, we can show them through this schedule. And also we should be very careful that especially for children with autism, they used to follow a particular schedule always. So always we should make a change in first we have to write the schedule, but the things sometimes we planned in the afternoon, we can give them in the morning. Like that, we have to make a change ourselves. We should make a change. So because initially Abhinan showed tantrums when there is a change in his schedule. So we should purposely we should change the things we have planned in the afternoon, we should give in the morning. The things we have planned in the morning, we should give in the afternoon. Like that, we should make a change. So that is so that the child should adjust with that. Also, suppose if we are not able to follow any of the schedules, we have to teach them to cancel. Today this is cancel, this is not there. Because for all these things, Abhinan showed behaviors. That is why we should, especially the children with autism, we should teach them, today this is not there, we are cancelling this. They have to adjust with that. And so after getting 5 stars, you can tell, so you got 5 stars, you can ask for any of your reinforcement. For small children, reinforce them with 1 star or 2 star, like that. So this is till sleeping I have written here. So this is this will be very helpful for them to reduce their tantrums and behaviors, because they can prepare early morning, they can prepare their mind that these are the things coming one after the other. So that's about it.